talk about HomeDNA or GPSOrigins. This is another place where you can buy your DNA kit to see your ancestry, or you can upload your DNA from, for example, Familytree DNA or Ancestry. And yes, this one is not for free, it is actually quite expensive. The price recently, I think, changed. I think I paid for last one $39. HomeDNA is a little bit different if we compare to other DNA companies, and I will show you my results and you will see how is it different. They have these gene pool percentages which are different. I don't know why, but how far away they look, but they don't have like East Europe region. And as you can see, they put me in Fennoscandia, southern France, Orkney Islands, and I think these percentages are quite high. Probably they look much deeper and further back in history. Also, these are not all percentages, they have more. You can see other percentages here. And what is most interesting is DNA migration routes. Unfortunately, they show only two. And if we look, I don't know, 1,000 years ago, we had maybe few millions of ancestors, and they show only two of them. But still, it is interesting. And yes, if we talk about blue line, it's kinda close to my country, which is Latvia. And as my father is from somewhere from northwest Russia, I don't know, is it my father's line or mother's line, because they cannot distinguish. It doesn't matter if it's blue, it does not necessarily mean that it is father's lines, but I think it is. And this is my mother's line, and my mother is also Latvian and a little bit from Poland, some ancestors. And now I will show you my daughter's results, which is very close to my results. Actually, all results which I will show you are close to each other. And here on migration routes, the difference is Nayland. She also had Balkan, which is approximately this region, so most likely this is from her father's side, but who knows, can be interesting coincidence. And another part is Denmark or Sweden. Well, this is most likely Sweden. Well, historically it is understandable, Vikings. And my mother's DNA gene pool is almost same. DNA migration Ireland and England, and this part is something like Scotland. I don't know why it is in sea. Probably there was some islands before, which not exist now. And another part is most likely from her Polish ancestors, but maybe not, because another part again, here's Poland and even Ukraine and Belarus, but it is close to Latvia. It can also be her Latvian side, mother's cousin from her father's side, from her Polish side, or partly Polish side. Again, this is interesting. And another my cousin, my mother's cousin from her mother's side, again, gene pool percentages are absolutely almost the same, and the DNA migration routes. This is the interesting part. Again, Sweden, Norway, but another side which is, I think, most likely from her father's side, but it can be also mother's side because we all are mixed between each other in Latvia. But maybe it is connected to Roma people. So I think I hope you didn't find this too boring. For me it is really interesting. That's all at the moment, and goodbye.